Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create components and how to edit the components. So components is called like if you are using one component, created one component, you can use it's at multiple places, and then in multiple places if you want to change the change anything with a single button, single click, so you can change it. If suppose like you have a button and you are using primary button and you are using in the whole application, so if you can change the one component color there, red to blue, so it would be automatically changed in at everywhere. Let me show you how we can do this. So I have to create artboard now. So any artboard you can get now. So suppose I'm going to create button here, and it's like any, this is just an example, so don't worry. I'm creating only for you as an example. So suppose this is the button. I have to make 4 pixel radius here. I'm using here a red color, here, and here I'm using button, and button name I'm going to write here like get in touch. So this is the button text here. I'm using here white color, and I'm aligning them together in center. And so this is the button now here. So now I'm going to create a component of this button. So how I can do this? Select both, and here with the right button, right click, you can create component. Otherwise with this shortcut icon. So I'm going to create component now here. So it is component now. You can see component. You can rename it like primary button. Check, this is the primary button. And if you are using here this button, this is just an example, lorem ipsum heading. I have to make it little bit bolder. So I am aligning this at in artboard, and this is the button get in touch. This is the exact size, and this is the button. And now I created other artboard here, and if suppose here I'm using in the toolbar here, and deleting now from here, and if suppose this is the toolbar we have, and I'm using same button here. So so sorry. So I have to do one thing here. If I and I have now in third artboard I have at different position. Check, I am using multiple button here. So I have to do one thing. If suppose I want to change something in the button, so I I I do like I click, like I right click on the button, and I click on go to main component. This is my main component now. If I change anything here, so it will reflect everywhere. Suppose here I'm changing the color red to blue, little bit darker. Check. And the more exciting thing is, if I change here in the like in the other buttons versus like main component button, so if I'm changing here something, so it would not reflect any everywhere, it would not reflect everywhere. Check it. But I want to change everywhere in every button, so I have to change in main component. If I change here orange, now I'm changing to orange. Check. And if, because I have manually added this, so it is not reflecting. But if we have other option also. If I push these changes to the other component, main component, so it will reflect to all components same things. Check. So this is called components, and this is just an example for the button. So I will guide you in my next video, like how to use component in the application. So I will try to design, I will design there the whole application, then there you can check the things, how I'm doing the things, and how I'm arranging, how I'm using the component as a button, as a heading, as a paragraph. So keep in touch with me, and then keep in touch with me, and then I will guide you time to time all things. Thank you. This is just like my YouTube channel starting phase, and then in future I have so many opportunities to show you, like how we can design the application, how we can make a prototyping, how we can create a good user experience, how we can create animated things in the application, how we have the motion graphics to implement in the application in Figma. So most of the things I'm able to see in Figma. This is the Figma example, Figma component example. If you have any suggestion, any tools you want to learn, you can comment in the comment box about Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, Adobe XD, Sketch, Zeppelin. So thank you. Subscribe my channel, support me. I will I will take so many good tutorials for you. I will create, and then you can learn from it. So this is good for the make a success in the designing field, user experience field. You can do full-time job, remote job, on-site job, and then freelancing as well. Thank you. I am with you. Please support me. Thank you.